Hey YouTube, so this is going to be a medallion or trophy, I guess, for our fishing trip this year. In honor of our buddy who passed away. His name was Graham. So these are the Grammy Awards, and I made some last year, and they're pretty cool. So I'm doing them again this year. Yeah, so I got a few of these ready, and I got some more of my welding squares ready, so I'm going to pour those while I'm going here anyway too. And I also got a couple of my cousin's logos done because this one failed on me in a previous video. But anyway, I don't know if I'll throw all this stuff in the video, but that's what I'm going to be doing today. The main goal is to get 3 of these, and I'm going to go for it. I got 2. First pour, I'm going to try and do 2 and 2. And if I got 4, then I'm good, and the rest is just a bonus for today. So let's go for it first. I must be a sucker for punishment because I patched that crucible again. We'll see. It's holding up so far to patch this. That's good. I got 2 in here and 2 in here, and it's a bit of a disaster area right now. I've been redoing my patio, so just a little look for my folks here because they watch my videos. So there you go, Dad. Another one set up and getting ready to pour that here probably the next couple days. Alright, so I got 2 in this one and 1 in here, the welding squares.
4. Nice. So I got 2 in that one. Let's do that one.
So my crucible got a bunch of aluminum in there, still in there from the last melt. A bunch of stuff stuck on it. So I'm going to try doing an aluminum bronze medallion for the first place winner. Just got a bunch of burnt copper in there right now, and if I can get that to melt, we'll throw in a little bit of aluminum and see how it goes. So for this one, for aluminum bronze, I ran the sprue down farther because I was having so much trouble with the brass. Just a bit of insurance, but it just means a little more I'm gonna have to clean up. But anyway, we'll see. One shot at it. Doesn't matter if I get it or not. It's just it'd be cool if I do. I think there's enough in there. Ooh, that's all is left on top. I don't know. Hopefully it wasn't a short pour. It's all down in there. I'm not finding a sprue yet. Awful crunchy. Oh, would you look at that? Oh. It's hot. Wow, I can't believe it. Just enough. Crazy. These blades come up so easy. I don't know, a little slice and a snap and it comes out pretty good. So here's the aluminum bronze one. It doesn't look like aluminum bronze right now, but let's see what the wheel does. Yeah, well, it didn't turn golden when I was buffing it, and so I'm not sure. I guess there must have been a lot more aluminum in that left in that crucible than I thought. I probably shouldn't have added any, but yeah, I just kind of knocked it on the table and it just exploded. It's got a really silver look to it. Anyway, I'll save this. I'm assuming it's way more aluminum than I need, so I'll probably use this and add the same weight in copper and see what I get then. So, because there is like 2 pounds of copper here. Anyway, I was hoping to get a golden one, but I thought that would have been cool. But last year I made 3 aluminum ones, so I got 4. I'm gonna pick the best of the 4. This one's got some leakers, but so probably 3 of these. Like, I haven't done anything to these yet, just a wheel. I mean, look at that. It's really good. One little leaker up here. Oop, I didn't buff that yet, but that was a little slice in the foam. I mean, these are ready to go. I just got to drill a hole. I'm going to drill a hole here, put a rope in it so you can wear it as a medallion. And it still works as a good beer coaster for your shop or whatever. So that's awesome. 2 of these worked out. Still got to clean them up a bit, but happy with those. Compared to the last time I tried this, they're quite good. And I got 3 more squares. So this one I must have coated last time when I did these other ones, because it got the little bubbles on the bottom. But when I did these 2, I paid more attention, and the bottoms are a lot better. So, I mean, really not much to do. Cut the sprue off and light sanding. So anyway, that's cool. Call it here on this one. I don't know. What do you guys? Any of you guys know? Have a guess? What happened here? I'm assuming it's too much aluminum, but who knows? Yeah. Anyway, take care, guys, and we'll see you next time.